Hi, hello, good afternoon. This is Maruti Prasad Sir. Welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel, all of you. Hi, hello. Yes, this is Maruti Prasad. I have more than 13 years of experience in teaching chemistry for EAMCET, JEE and NEET students. Please subscribe this channel, Unacademy YouTube channel it is, and like it as well as share it. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like as well as share it. And please press the bell button. Please press the bell button to get the notifications. And before I am starting the session, I want to say something about the Plus subscription page. See here, we will deliver the premium content which is at affordable price, and structured live courses will be there with dedicated live doubt clearing sessions and quizzes at regular intervals for getting self-analysis of yourself. And so many number of batches are there for complete preparation of the syllabus, and test series for daily practice papers and full-length mock tests with complete analysis. By taking single subscription, you will get unlimited access. Okay, you can access 20 plus top educators and plus batches, 250 plus courses, and 2000 plus lessons, and many more will be added. But everything is under single plus subscription. This is my code. Maruti Live is my code. Once you are using my code, you will get 10% of instant discount. And the Unacademy is giving two best plans for EAMCET 2021 aspirants. One is 12 months plan and the second one is 6 months plan. Hi Ravishankar sir, very good afternoon. Hi Ravishankar, very good afternoon. Welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel. Hi. So 12 months plan is 12,375 and 6 months plan is 10,125 rupees. It is 1000 approximately and it is 1600 rupees approximately. Multiple batches are launching every month, and if you use my code you will get 10% of instant discount. Yeah, it is a 6 months plan and it is 8 months plan. 8 months course, these two are 8 months courses. Okay, comprehensive batches, two comprehensive batches are there. One is for physics, chemistry, biology, and the second one is for physics, chemistry, and mathematics. If you have not enrolled, please enroll now immediately. Hi Usha, very good afternoon. Usha, very good afternoon. Thank you. Thanks for coming. The Telugu batch is also there for TS and AP EAMCET 2021. You can learn from the best educators, detailed explanation in Telugu language for better understanding. Complete syllabus coverage will also be there, and wherever necessary, we will give the tips as well as tricks to you for time save as well as for better score in the examinations. 2250 rupees is the price for 1 month trial plan of this Telugu batch. But if you are using my code, you will get 10% of instant discount. You will get 10% of instant discount. Okay. And this Telugu batch has already been started on 12th of October 2020. And please enroll now if you have not enrolled. That's all. See, these are all the important objective bits for alkanes. Alkanes are important objective bits. Let us discuss one by one. Yeah, be ready all of you. By Wood's reaction, a mixture of methyl iodide and ethyl iodide will give dash. By Wood's reaction, a mixture of methyl iodide and ethyl iodide will give dash. Please opt the correct answer. Either Ravi Shankar or Usha, so many of you there. Please opt it. By Wood's reaction, a mixture of methyl iodide and ethyl iodide will give dash. Butane, propane, ethane, a mixture of the above three. These are the important options for us. These are the important options for us. Please opt it correctly. Yeah, very good, Ravishankar. The answer is a mixture of above 3 is the correct answer. Very good, Usha. A mixture of above 3 is the correct answer. ఎందుకంటే one methyl iodide when it reacts with ethyl iodide, This methyl again reacts with methyl and forms ethane. This ethyl one again reacts with ethyl iodide and forms butane. But one methyl and one ethyl will react with each other and forms propane also. Okay. So definitely it will produce a mixture of above 3. Very good, very good, very good. So one question is over. Coming to the next question. Which of the following gas has the highest heat of combustion? Highest heat of combustion దేనికి అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. So you have to count the number of bonds of methane, ethane, ethene and ethine. Out of these four, in which case the number of bonds are more, that is having most heat of combustion. That is having most heat of combustion. So please opt it correctly. Wow, very good. No, no, not ethine. Not ethine, Ravi Shankar. It is ethane. Because ethine is having this much number of bonds. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, only 5 bonds are there. But here, ethane is having 7 number of bonds. Total 7 bonds are there. So, ethane is the correct one, but not ethine. But not ethine. Okay. Very good. Nice, nice. Good opting. Thank you. Coming to the next one. Methyl bromide is converted into ethane by heating it in ether medium. In ether medium with dash. Actually, it is a Woods reaction. Actually, it is a Woods reaction. Sodium, aluminum, zinc and copper. Yeah, sodium, aluminum, zinc and copper. Out of these four, which is the correct one? Actually, it's a Woods reaction. Please opt it correctly. Very good, Ravi Shankar. Sodium is the correct one. Perfect. Because Woods reaction lo మనం we are taking two alkyl halides. When it reacts with sodium, it will produce ethane. Of course, in the presence of ether medium, it will produce alkanes. So alkane preparation lo Woods reaction lo we are taking this sodium. Okay, very good. Coming to the next one, which represents an alkane? Which represents an alkane? Alkane ఏది రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది? C5H8, C9H10, C7H16 and C8H16. Which represents alkane? The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So if you substitute n place in the n place 5 or 9 or 7 or 8, which is the correct one? Very good, Ravi Shankar. The answer is C7H16 is the correct one. C7H16 is the correct one. Good. Because 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16. So if you substitute in the place of n with 7, you will get C7. 7 2s are 14 plus 2 C7H16. Wow, very good, very good. Nice. Coming to the next one, fifth one. The petrol having octane number of 80 has dash. The petrol having octane number of 80 has dash. That is our question. 80% of normal heptane, 20% of normal octane, or 20% normal heptane and normal octane 80%, 80% normal heptane, 20% isooctane, 20% normal heptane and 80% isooctane. What is the correct one? Actually, this concept is in petroleum industry. To check the efficiency of the petrol, you have to use this octane number, right? To check the efficiency of the petrol, you have to use this octane number, and to check the efficiency of diesel, you have to use the cetane number. Okay, Ravi Shankar, it is not correct. 3 is not correct. 4 is the correct one because you have to consider only the isooctane. Octane number అన్నప్పుడు isooctane consider చేస్తాం. 80 అన్నప్పుడు 80% of isooctane should be there and the remaining 20% should be normal heptane. సో isooctane అన్నప్పుడు ఆక్టేన్ నెంబర్ అన్నప్పుడు isooctane 80% ఉండాలన్నమాట. రిమైనింగ్ 20% నార్మల్ హెప్టేన్. అది డెఫినిషన్ కూడా ఆక్టేన్ నెంబర్ కి అది ఒక డెఫినిషన్. పెట్రోలియం ఇండస్ట్రీలో మనం యూజెస్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్కేన్స్ లో డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. కమింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సిక్స్త్ వన్. Kerosene is used as a fuel because it is abundantly available, less available, cheap, and more volatile. What is the correct answer? Yeah, thank you, Ravi Shankar. Thank you. Kerosene is used as a fuel because it is dash. Because it is abundantly available, less available, cheap, and more volatile. Please opt it correctly. Quick. Yeah, actually, it is more volatile. It is less volatile కాదు, it is also more volatile. Kerosene is also more volatile. అంటే మామూలుగా less volatile than petrol. Kerosene is less volatile than petrol, but it is more volatile. Normally, it is a more volatile, so it can be used as a fuel. Less volatile అన్నప్పుడు it cannot be used as a fuel. Okay, 2 or 4 doubt వచ్చింది. Yeah, very good. But actually, it is 4 correct. More volatile is the correct. Otherwise, if it is a less volatile, we cannot acting it as a fuel. Fuel కింద యాక్ట్ చేయదు కదా, మనం యాక్ట్ చేయనివ్వలేము దీన్ని. So kerosene, if it wants to act as a fuel, compulsory it should have more volatile. That is the reason. Coming to the seventh one, iodoethane reacts with sodium in the presence of dry ether. Actually, it is also a Woods reaction. Iodoethane reacts with sodium in the presence of dry ether. The product is dash. The product is dash. Butane, butene, pentane, propane. Butane, butene, pentane, and propane. Out of these 4, what is the correct answer? Yeah, very good, very good. It is a butane. Excellent. It's a butane, correct. Because C2H5I, when it reacts with sodium, and again IC2H5 in the presence of dry ether, it will produce, of course, 2 sodium I will be eliminates, and C2H5 bond C2H5. This one and this one. This is called butane. C4H10. The overall molecular formula is C4H10. So C4H10 is the butane. Very good. Coming to the next one, eighth one. In Woods reaction, the reagent used is sodium dialcohol, sodium liquid ammonia, sodium dry ether, and only sodium. What is the correct answer? Very good, Ravi Shankar. Very good. The answer is sodium in dry ether. Woods reaction lo sodium dry ether మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం. Very good, very good. Super. Coming to the ninth one, the decreasing order of boiling points. Yes, very important type of question it is. Decreasing order of boiling points. N-pentane, isopentane, neopentane. Iso, N, neo. So they have given N-pentane, isopentane, and neopentane. Out of these 3, which is having very least boiling point and which is having highest boiling point? Ninth one, please opt it. Very good. When the branches are more, the boiling point will be less. Very nice. So the option is good, Ravi Shankar. Then the option is 1. Very good. So 1 is the correct answer. N-pentane to isopentane, isopentane to neopentane. So if the branches are more, obviously the boiling point will be decreases. Very good, very good. Coming to the next one. N-hexadecane has the cetane number. Cetane number is meant for diesel. Cetane number is meant for diesel. Octane number is meant for petrol. Octane number అనేది petrol efficiency చెక్ చేయడానికి, cetane number అనేది diesel చెక్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. పెట్రోల్లో అయితే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బ్రాంచెస్ ఉండాలి. అలా బ్రాంచెస్ ఉన్న వాటికి 100 ఉంటుంది ఆక్టేన్ నెంబర్. cetane number is meant for diesel. డీజిల్ నెంబర్స్ డీజిల్స్ లో అయితే చైన్స్ ఉండాలి. అలా చైన్స్ దేనిలో ఉంటాయో దానికే cetane నెంబర్ అనేది 100 ఉంటుంది. So see here 0, 90, 110 and 100. It is N-hexadecane. It is a chain. We are discussing about the cetane number for diesel efficiency. So for N-hexadecane, what about the cetane number? Is it, of course, it is not 90, it is not 110. It may be either 0 or it may be either 100. Out of these two, what is the correct one? Yeah, cetane number means the percentage of N-hexadecane which is present in the mixture of N-hexadecane and 2-methyl naphthalene. It is 2-methyl naphthalene. ఓకే 2-methyl naphthalene. సో N-hexadecane 2-methyl naphthalene ఈ రెండు మిక్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత బర్న్ చేస్తాం. ఈ మిక్చర్ ని బర్న్ చేస్తాం. దీన్ని 100% తీసుకోండి, దీన్ని 0% తీసుకోండి. సెకండ్ టైము దీన్ని 90% తీసుకోండి, దీన్ని 10% తీసుకోండి. థర్డ్ టైము దీన్ని 80%, దీన్ని 20%, దీన్ని 70%, దీన్ని 30%. సో యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ సో మెనీ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మిక్చర్స్. ఈ మిక్చర్స్ అన్నింటినీ బర్న్ చేస్తాం. ఈ మిక్చర్ని ల్యాబ్ లో ఉంటుంది, ఇది కూడా ల్యాబ్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఈ మిక్చర్స్ ని బర్న్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఒక డీజిల్ ని తీసుకురండి. ఒక ఏదో బంక్ లోంచి డీజిల్ ని కొంచెం ఈ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ డీజిల్ తీసుకొచ్చి దీన్ని కూడా బర్న్ చేయండి. దీని తాలూకు ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఇప్పుడు మనం చెక్ చేయాలి కదా. దీని ఎఫిషియన్సీ చెక్ చేయాలి అంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు బర్న్ ద టెస్టెడ్ ఫ్యూయల్ లైక్ డీజిల్. బర్న్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇట్ విల్ గివ్స్ సమ్ నాకింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీ. ఇట్ విల్ గివ్స్ ఎ నాకింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీ. దీని నాకింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఈ మిక్చర్ లో దేని నాకింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీకి ఈక్వల్ గా ఉందో చెక్ చేస్తారు. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ 80-20కి దీని నాకింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్, దీని నాకింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఇఫ్ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్, ఈ రెండు నాకింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఈక్వల్ అయ్యాయి అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు దెన్ N-hexadecane కి 100 ఇస్తారని చెప్పాం కదా. 2-methyl naphthalene కి 0 నాకింగ్ సౌండ్, నాకింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీ. దీనికి N-hexadecane కి నాకింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీ 100 అని ఫిక్స్ చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు. కాబట్టి ఈ రెండిట్లో 80% ఆఫ్ N-hexadecane is there. కాబట్టి ద cetane నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 80 అని చెప్తాం. cetane నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 80. సో ఒక ప్యూర్ డీజిల్ కి అయితే ఇది 100, ఇది 0 కాబట్టి ఇది 100 cetane నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. ఒకవేళ నువ్వు ఈ డీజిల్ ని బర్న్ చేసిన తర్వాత వచ్చే నాకింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీ 90 N-hexadecane, 10 2-methyl naphthalene కి ఈ రెండిటికి బర్న్ చేసిన నాకింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ కి ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటే దెన్ ద cetane నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 90. Then the cetane number is 90. Got it, Ravi Shankar? Do you got it or not? Coming to the next one. So the answer is 100 here. The answer is 100 here. Very good. To prepare a pure sample of N-hexane, to prepare a pure sample of N-hexane using sodium metal as one reactant, the other reactant will be N-hexane రావాలంట. N-hexane ఇప్పుడు మనకు రావాలి. N-hexane you need to prepare. ఇలా N-hexane రావాలి అంటే sodium metal తో one N-hexane you need to prepare. Sodium metal is one reactant. What is the other reactant? ఈ 4 ఇట్లో ఏది కరెక్ట్? ప్లీజ్ ఆప్ట్ ఇట్ కరెక్ట్లీ. You have to prepare the N-hexane. You have to prepare N-hexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, Ravishankar, please opt it. Very good. 1 is the correct answer. Perfect. N-propyl bromide is the correct one. N-propyl bromide. Propyl. This is called propyl bromide. Again we are reacting with N-propyl bromide. CH2, CH2, CH3. So two sodium bromides are separates out. This is propyl, this is propyl. By combination of these two, we will get hexane. Very good, Ravi Shankar. Nice. Coming to the next one. In the reaction CH3Br plus sodium plus CH3Br, the reaction is called, either gives rise to something or another. The reaction is called, what is this reaction? Levitt reaction, Perkins reaction, Woods reaction, and aldol condensation. What is the correct one? Third option, this one, ethyl chloride and N-butyl chloride. No, no. Ethyl chloride and N-butyl chloride. Ethyl chloride means this one. And N-butyl chloride. N-butyl. Suppose if you react this one, it will produce N-hexane, but pure sample of N-hexane is the question. Pure sample of N-hexane using sodium metal as one reactant, the other reactant will be. Actually, this is a pure sample of N-hexane. But once you are reacting these two, it will not produce a pure sample. It will not produce a pure sample because ethyl and ethyl will cross route also may be possible. Ethyl and ethyl, then it will produce butane, and butyl and butyl will produce octane. So it may produce octane as well as butane also. But they are asking about only pure sample. They are asking about only a pure sample. Pure sample of an hexane means you have to take only the propyl bromide. That's all. Okay. Yeah, for this question it is Wood's reaction. Very good, Ravi Shankar. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Coming to the next one, 13th one. The octane number of a sample of petrol is 40. Octane number is 40. It means that its knocking property is equal to the mixture of 40% ఏమి ఉండాలి? Octane number it is 40% of 60 petrol, 40 isooctane, 40 petrol, 40 octane, 60 N-heptane, 40 octane, 40 N-heptane, 60 octane. What is the correct one? Please opt it. Very good. Second option is the correct one. Good. Because octane number is the combination of isooctane and N-heptane. For isooctane, the octane number is 100, and for N-heptane, the octane number is 0. If you are combining these two in a different ratios, yeah, very good, Ravi Shankar, correct. So if you are combining these two in different ratios, దీన్ని కూడా మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, బర్న్ చేస్తాం. If you burn it, then what will happen? If you burn it, then burn చేసాం అనుకోండి, then what will happen? బర్న్ చేసిన తర్వాత తీసుకొచ్చిన పెట్రోల్ కూడా బర్న్ చేస్తాం. Octane number is meant for petrol. To check the efficiency of the petrol, we are using octane number, right? So petrol kuda we need to burn it. So if you burn the petrol and if you burn the mixture of these two, at which percentage of isooctane the knocking properties of these mixture is equal to the knocking properties of the petrol, then we can say that is the octane number. So 40% isooctane, 60% N-heptane దగ్గర దీని బర్నింగ్ దీనికి ఈక్వల్ అయింది అనుకోండి, దీని నాకింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీ దీనికి ఈక్వల్ అయింది అనుకోండి, then we can say that it is the octane number of the petrol. That's it's a very important question for all of us. Hi Fahad, very good evening. Welcome Fahad, welcome to Unacademy platform, Unacademy YouTube channel. Thank you, thanks for coming. Fahad, I'm fine. What about you? Coming to the next one, the preparation of ethane by electrolysis. Electrolysis అనేసరికి we will have only one important method for the preparation of alkane. The preparation of ethane by electrolysis of aqueous solution of potassium acetate is called dash. Is called dash. Grignard reaction, Woods reaction, Sabatier-Sandrens, and coal base. It is an electrolysis actually. So actually the name itself has the meaning. The name itself has the meaning, electrolysis. Please opt it correctly. Be quick. Yeah, very good, Ravi Shankar. It is coal-based synthesis. Very good, very good. It is a coal-based synthesis. It is called as coal-based electrolysis. Potassium acetate. See here. CH3COOK. It is a potassium acetate. Again, you need to take the CH3COOK. Electrolysis means you have to react it with water by passing the electricity. Then what will happen? Ethane will produce. Very good. Very good, Ravi Shankar. This technique will be done. So ethane will be produced. Yeah, Usha, very good. And two carbon dioxides and two KOHs will comes out and hydrogen gas will come out. Very good, very good. Nice. So ethane, it is a coal-based electrolysis. Very good. Coming to the next one. Which of the following statements is not true for ethane? For ethane, which is not true? It can be chlorinated with chlorine. Chlorinate avutunda. It can be catalytically hydrogenated. Is it getting hydrogenates or not? When oxidized produces carbon dioxide and water. Avuna kada? It is a homolog of isobutane. Out of these four, which is not true for ethane? Which is not true? Wow, good. Perfect, Ravi Shankar. Good. It can be catalytically hydrogenated. It is not correct because carbon-carbon single bond is there. No, Fahad, it's not one. It is two itself. Why? Because catalytically it is not getting hydrogenated because, yeah, 2 is the correct one. Very good. Because carbon-carbon is single bond. It is a saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons will not react with hydrogen. Okay, no, Fahad, it's not one. It is purely it is two. Okay, good. Coming to the 16th one. Which of the following is not formed by the reaction of chlorine on methane in sunlight? When the chlorine reacts with methane in the presence of sunlight, what is the product which is not formed? Chloroform, ethane, methyl chloride and propane. What is the correct one? Please opt it correctly. What about Ravi Shankar, Usha and Fahad? Please. Yeah, very good Ravi Shankar. Correct. Propane is the correct answer. Because, why? Because here it is ethane. Ethane may be, of course, methyl chloride will be produced and chloroform also will be produced. But we may have some doubt about either 2 or 4. But actually fourth one is correct. Fourth one will not be produced. But ethane can be produced. Ethane can be produced. Yeah, Usha and Fahad, you are wrong. Ravi Shankar, you are correct. Very good. So ethane can be produced. Why? Because methyl radical and methyl radical in the sunlight will be produced ethane. Ethane. Okay. Yeah, very good, Ravi Shankar. It's a free radical mechanism. These two are free radicals. Very good. So free radical mechanism lo we can get the ethane, but we cannot get the propane. That's all. This is the last question in this session. Please opt it correctly. This is the last question. Petroleum ether can be used as. Petroleum ether can be used as. It is not a petrol. It is petroleum ether. Can be used as solvent for fat, oil, varnish, and rubber. As a fuel, both one and two, and none of this. What's the correct answer? Either Usha, Ravishankar, Fahad. Very good, Ravishankar. Correct. Hi, Susila. Welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel. Thank you, thanks for coming. Very good. One is the correct answer. Solvent for fat, oil, varnish, and rubber. Very good, very good. One is the correct answer. Right. Up to this, our session is completed, and tomorrow we will discuss about the remaining sessions. But today at 5 to 6, there is an alkenes concept. Please come to the special class in Unacademy platform. And at the 7 to 8 o'clock, there is another special class which is there for Faraday laws of electrolysis. So we will discuss Faraday laws of electrolysis at 7 to 8, and we will discuss alkenes concept on 5 to 6. Yeah, very good evening, Susila. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Thank you. Thanks for coming. And at this moment, I will stop this session. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep watching my videos, and we will meet in the next class. That is today at evening 5 to 6. Until then, keep watching. Thank